Gikan sa nagkariyang bahin sa nasud, nag-usa ang mga student leader ug ang ilang mga mentor alang sa Future Changemakers Summit Philippines 2024 nga gipahigayon sa Makati City. Si Mark Reggie Abella sa report.
Tumong sa kalihukan ang pag-umol ug paghimo sa mga proyekto nga makatabang sa tagsa-tagsa nila ka mga katilingban ug gahinan kini sa Kennedy Lugar Youth Exchange and Study Program.
To give them ideas how to implement their projects and in the long run to make it sustainable. Hopefully, in the next couple of years, forward, we hope that it will generate more interest, not only in certain alumni but all over the country.
Tungod sa kaminhongdanon sa panag-uban o pagsinabtanay aron mapatuman ang usa ka proyekto, gituki kini ni GMA Network Senior Vice President and Head for Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso. Ang mga pamaagi sa network aron mahimong usa ka inclusive kun hisgutan ang storytelling sa panahon sa digital technology ug ang kabilihon niini.
Kami po sa GMA Integrated News, inclusivity is not just a buzzword, no? It is a core value that influences our day-to-day operations. We strive to recognize and represent the diverse tapestry of voices, experiences, and perspectives within our communities. Inclusive storytelling allows our news teams to reach wider audiences. Mas malawak po. By embracing a variety of perspectives, we foster trust and enrich public discourse. Game changers in this digital age, where information can spread at unprecedented speeds, credible and inclusive journalism becomes even more vital.
Matod ni Amoroso, importante ang paghatag og tingog sa local news.
It is imperative that stories from communities like mine, like yours, are told. Our regional arm, GMA Regional TV, plays an instrumental role in this mission. Our news teams hail from the very localities they report on. These regional narratives are not confined to local broadcast. They are integrated into our national platforms.
Gihisgutan usab ni Amoroso ang kampanya Batok Fake News nga gipasiugdahan karon sa Kapuso Network uban ang mga industry leaders, media organizations, tech giants ug educational institutions nga sumpuon ang mikuyanap nga suliran karon sa fake news ug ang pagpakatap sa sayop nga kasayuran.
Together, let us cultivate a culture of inclusivity in storytelling, one that ensures every individual is seen, heard, and valued. Let this moment spark meaningful conversations that we should pave the way for a future where journalism shines as a beacon of hope, understanding, and unity.
Ideas without action are useless. Desire to change is useless if you don't take action. Only actions lead to results.
I've learned a lot from this event, how we can engage the youth in terms of some grassroots problem. And with this learnings, I wanted to foster it more to giving back to my community.
Kauban si Clans Gabutin, Mark Reggie Abella. Balitang Bisdak.